Hi, this is Goggett, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a PBC Lone Star Beer Boneyard stew my way. And I'm going to have this in like 5 parts, and every part is a step, and it's going to show you how to make this. Very simple to make, not hard at all, and very few ingredients. And I'll show you the ingredients in just a sec here on what you need in order to make this. And of course you can add whatever you like to this stew, and it's going to come out perfect. And something else, if you don't have you don't have to have a pit barrel cooker in order to make this. You can make it on a regular grill. You can make it on the stove even. If you have a frying pan to sear up the steak and a pot to cook it in, you can make it there. So you don't have to have a pit barrel. Today what I'm going to do is just be making it on a pit barrel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what you need in order to make this. And what I've got is I've got a T-bone steak. And you want to buy a steak with the bone in because you need that bone. The bone is very important. And I got a T-bone. And this one's about, it's about maybe a pound, right at a pound. You can add as much meat as you want, as many of these as you want. I'm just going to add one today because just me and Mrs. Goggett eating. If it was more people, I'd add another one. You don't have to use T-bone. You can use porterhouse. You can use sirloin as long as it's got the bone in it. Then I'm going to have add some potatoes. And I got just the russet potatoes, russet bacon potatoes, and I'm going to cut these in bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to use 4 of them. You can add as many as you want. Got 1 onion, white onion, what I'm going to dice. That's going to go in there. You can use any type of onion you like. 3 cloves of garlic, what I'm going to mince. Add as much as you like. And the star of the show, the Lone Star Beer. Going to add 1 can. If you can't get Lone Star where you're at, use your favorite beer. It's all good. 6 cups of beef broth. And I like the Great Value kind over the Swanson's because this, to me, has a better flavor. It's got a richer flavor, beef flavor, and that's what I like. And some kosher salt and black pepper. And very simple to make. I mean, it's not hard. Going to have this, like I say, in 5 parts. Every part is a step. And so something else is I've always expressed when you get your meat, always wash it off because you don't know what the butcher's done with it. You don't want to get any bone fragments in your stew. Get a piece of it and all of a sudden, bam, you're biting down on a bone fragment. Because I've done it before and it's not pleasant. So, getting the pit barrel ready, and I'll have the second part coming up. And appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.